Today we'll make a DIY treasure map from a paper bag. We'll be using this bag I got from Aldi's grocery. First we'll need to cut a panel from the paper bag by cutting along the bag's natural edges. This process doesn't need to be super clean, just cut out the general size panel you want. Next we shape the panel by tearing off pieces of the paper. Try to avoid cutting edges as they will look too clean and less like an old map. To add texture, we will be repeatedly crumpling and unrolling the paper. Just keep crumpling it up into a ball, then smoothing it out as much as you can. This process will give the map paper a very old, used look. Smooth out the paper and grab the marker to draw on it with. To draw a compass rose, first draw 2 cross lines with arrows at the ends. Label the directions N-E-S-W. You can remember this with the phrase "never eat sour watermelon." That's what I learned in school. I also added some circles to the cross lines, just for aesthetics. I drew a few big land masses by drawing random lines into random shapes. Now I begin adding details, things like names of waterways, mountains, forests, canyons, jungles, etc. You can use your imagination here and add as many fun things to your map as you can think of. Time to use a red marker to add a big X. The X traditionally marks the spot of buried treasure. If you've played Minecraft or pirate games, you will know what I refer to. I added some doodles for decoration, things like birds, clouds, and ships. Now you're done and ready to play pirate. Stay awesome and love yourself.